Presenting the Chrysler 2016 Town & Country Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, Garmin, 40 GB hard drive W/28 GB available, 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio jack input for mobile devices, audio memory, CD player, DVD audio and MP3 decoder. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.